A woman living in Nevada reached out to Works for You so we could get answers for her living so far away. She's never met the business owner in person who lives right here in Tulsa. She said she trusted her with the sentimental family heirloom, but now she just wants it back.
I sent her the quilt, and that was back in March 28th, approximately of 2018.
A year later, Ramona Omsberg claims she still doesn't have her mother's handmade quilt.
I'm kind of at a loss. I just want my quilt back because it's very old. My mother made it. My mother passed away in 1970, and I can't replace the quilt.
Omsberg lives in Nevada and found Wildflowers by Katrinka online, a business based in Tulsa. The owner, Katrinka Booth, identifies herself as an artist. Omsberg wanted a professional to add some finishing touches to her quilt, so she reached out to Booth.
She offered me a price to finish my quilt, which was just about 6 rows of hand quilting, not by machine, but hand quilting on the machine, and then put the edging on.
Omsberg said she paid $150 via PayPal and still hasn't received the finished product. I first reached out to Booth on the phone on March 6th.
Good morning. My name is Giselle Puente. I'm a news reporter for Channel 2 here.
She acknowledged she had the quilt that Omsberg originally shipped last March, but hadn't gotten around to it because of a family emergency. The last few weeks, there's been a correspondence of emails back and forth, but all Omsberg wants is for her to return what is rightfully hers.
Money is not the issue. I mean, I'm not rich or anything, but it's the quilt. The quilt is so special, I can't replace it.
Omsberg said Booth had told her the quilt was going to be shipped last week, but that did not happen. Now she's waiting for April 3rd, but she says she will not believe it until she sees her quilt. Of course, we'll continue to follow up and update the story. I'm Giselle Puente reporting with Works for You.